51-year-old Chinese national falls from building and succumbed to his injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. 51-year-old Chaozheng Wang, a Chinese national of Gladstone Drive, Kingston 10, died as a result of injuries he received after he fell from a building in Gladstone Drive, Kingston 10 on Friday, October 29. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that at about 5:50 p.m., Wang was on the building affecting repairs when he allegedly lost his balance and fell. He sustained multiple injuries and was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The investigation continues. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.